Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we're going to talk about shadow puppetry. Shadow puppetry is a popular form of drama in China. It has entertained the Chinese for centuries, bringing joy to them and raising their hopes. The principle and methods of shadow performance adopted by the shadow puppet played an important leading role in the invention of the modern movie and the development of the movies and cartoons. Shadow puppetry is a combination of performing art and the art of carving. Shadow puppets are not only essential elements of stagecraft, but also lovely handcrafted objects of art in their own right. Nowadays, the Chinese shadow puppet plays have been collected by the museums of many countries in the world. The shadow puppet play, also called shadow play, is a drama form in which the player holds the human figures that are engraved on the animal hides with colored paintings and reflected on the curtain through the light, singing and dancing controlled by the player with the silk string, to the gong and drum music playing a series of stories. It is widely spread in most regions in China, with different styles of shadow puppet play in different places. However, the characters' shaping and performance skills are all quite exquisite, with play themes including the Chinese ancient magic, myths, religions, monarchs, legal cases, wars, as well as talented scholars and pretty ladies, the secular life, and etc. The puppets are made of ox, sheep, or donkey skin. Preparing a hide that will be used to make a shadow puppet requires special tanning and processing techniques. First, the raw pelt is soaked in clear water or lime water. Then, it is stretched tightly across a wooden frame and left to dry until it is flat and even. The hair and the remaining flesh are scraped off, leaving a thin, translucent skin that makes an ideal raw material for creating a shadow puppet. After the puppets have been carved, they are dyed in bright colors to enhance the puppet's appearance and make them more eye-catching. The method of dyeing is derived from Chinese Spring Festival pictures. The principal colors used are red, green, black, and yellow. Shadow plays are a two-dimensional form because the puppets, scenery, and other props are all flat. Most of the faces of the shadow figures are depicted in profile. Figures with faces represented in profile are more expressive and can be better animated and manipulated. The faces of the shadow figures representing as they do human, supernatural, and animal beings are often exaggerated. The young male and female role, for example, usually have an elegant, noble slant of forehead and nose. Ruffians and treacherous characters always have exaggeratedly large eyes and bushy eyebrows. The stage for shadow puppet is a white cloth screen on which the shadows of flat puppets are projected. Shadow puppet looks similar to a paper cut, except that their joints are connected by thread, so that they can be operated freely. The scene is simple and primitive. It is the consummate performance that attracts the audience. For example, a puppet can smoke and breathe out a smoke ring with operator's help. The operator plays 5 puppets at the same time, each of which has 3 threads. 10 fingers handle 15 threads. No wonder the operator is compared to the 1,000 hand Kuan Yin. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.